Okay, in this video, we are going to see about the HTML editors. So actually, we are having the different types of HTML editors. Here we are going to see about how to execute the or how to write the HTML code using the VS Code and also the ordinary Notepad. Okay, here first we are going to see about how to write the HTML code using the Notepad. Okay, just open the Notepad. Okay, and create the file. Create the new file and save the file using .html extension. So for example, I am going to save as my first file .html. So and click save. Okay, now we can type the HTML code here. For example, HTML, so root tag, head. So the head we can give the title to a web page. For example, my first web page. So we can close the header portion. So first we need to close the title, then head. So now we are going to create the content using the body tag. So I'm just adding one heading element. Okay, and finally we can close the HTML. So first save, press the Control yes. Now we can open this file using any web browser. So right click, open with. So here I'm going to using the web browser, that is Chrome. So this actually shows the URL of our web page, but we are actually save our web page, that's address, and this is the title. So this one represent the title, this represent the title. So always the title, that is the content what we are giving inside the head that display this top screen title, and this is the component we are giving the body tag, that is welcome, as a heading 1 predefined tag. So all this content we are giving inside the body displayed as a content page. So this is the first way of writing the HTML document using the Notepad. And the second way, we can use the VS Code. So this is VS Code is actually the open source. So just searching or moving into the VS Code official website. So you can download it for the your OS, that is for example Windows or Mac OS, whatever you are using. So you can download. So it's a open source. So after downloading, just open that, and from the file open the folder. So here just I'm creating one folder desktop, that is HTML, new folder HTML. So now I store all the HTML file inside this folder. So file, open folder, from the desktop HTML, select folder. Okay, now we can create the new file, new file. So here I am creating the first file, that is first.html. Save with the HTML extension. Okay, here we can type HTML header, and we can add the title element. Okay, and we can add the body component. So here we can give anything, that is come to the course HTML. Okay, and you can save by using the Control S, or you can choose the auto save. For example, here that is file, and if we are enable this auto save, this is automatically saved. Okay, now we can open with the web browser. So run. So here we can open with the Chrome. So here actually we are seeing our output. So this is URL, this is the content we are given within the body portion, and this is head portion. So here we are always opening the HTML document using the web browser, because the actual interpreter for HTML available on the web browser only. So that we, for executing any HTML file, we are using the web browser. So all the web browser embedded with the HTML interpreter.